Hi, I'm Kyle from CheckProof. CheckProof is a platform that is used in the construction materials industry and many others to help digitise maintenance and HSEQ work and procedures. We've made it our mission to make it simple for your teams to collect information in all these areas and put it into one single platform. That's not just great news for frontline workers, it's great for managers too. CheckProof gives you full visibility across teams, saves you lots of time, and is ridiculously easy to use.
Systems which make it hard to collect data from the field lead to human error, unreliable data, lack of compliance, compromised safety, and lack of visibility across different teams. With CheckProof, 3 simple steps is all it takes to get started. Step 1. Set up your account and create your workflow routines. Step 2. Publish the processes on the app and give your team access to the routines relevant to their job. Step 3. Enjoy access to comprehensive, accurate and real-time data.
You can choose CheckProof as a standalone system or integrate it with your current systems. It's up to you. CheckProof empowers your team to perform their very best as it helps them plan and assign work to team members, follow routines with no shortcuts, report incidents, defects and deviations. Integrate systems so you can stream data straight from your assets and create automated actions. All of this will help you increase equipment availability and productivity and ensure a safe workplace for your team.
CheckProof was founded by people with decades of experience from the construction materials industry.
So we truly understand the day-to-day problems that you are trying to solve.
And the numbers speak for themselves. 25% increased equipment and plant availability, 33% reduced maintenance cost, 25% reduction in idle time, 87% reduction in audit actions. CheckProof is trusted by leading global brands and is loved by thousands of users around the world.
If you'd like to take a closer look at CheckProof, book a free demo and see how it could work for you.